So you can actually bump up your credit score anywhere from 10 to even 25 credit points right away by doing just this one super simple thing. Now, I've actually done this before, and I'm gonna show you a quick video right over here of me actually doing it in real time. And I'm gonna show you how to just do it through the mobile app because that's a lot easier for most people. Now you can see my actual credit score is 807. And what I did was actually go through Experian and their feature called Experian Boost. You might have heard of it before. And they actually have it available on their mobile device. So you can see I'm on Experian settings here, and you can see where it says Experian Boost. Now, I already have mine all connected, so I can't actually show you the step-by-step process of it on the mobile. All you gotta do is click that link in the show notes down below to jump you right to the sign-up process so you can actually get Experian Boost on your account and have your credit score go up very quickly. Now, the whole process is pretty much connecting your account that actually utilizes your bills to see how you're paying those things on a regular basis, such as your phone bill, your rent, and maybe some other things that actually will help you increase your credit score by them saying that you are paying things on time on a regular basis. So you can see I have my Capital One account here logged in. This is where I pay all of my bills. So once I plug that in, that's how my credit score went up. Now, again, this can be quite different for every single person. I've had some people tell me in prior videos that their account actually got bumped up by a significant amount. Mine didn't go up as much, but mine was already pretty up there when it came to the score itself. As you saw, it's already at 807. But nonetheless, going up on your credit score can help you save a ton of money on interest, whether it's a car loan or even a house loan, especially with interest rates having gone up quite a bit. Now, if you actually want to see the step-by-step process through desktop, I'll actually have my video right over here for you so you can watch step-by-step on all the questions that we're going to ask you.